What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we have some packages to open and some pops to show you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be taking some pops out of packages and we're going to be looking at pops that are not in packages. That make no sense. Before we go any further, I do want to mention that I was going to be making a part 2 of the Daycation vlog series, but that did not actually happen. Turned out not so great. Everything that I pictured in my mind did not come to fruition, so that's why there was not a part 2 in the vlog. So disregard the last bit of the Daycation vlog. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack open some boxes and look at some pops right here, because I've got about 6 or 7 pops that I want to show you, and let's just make a video out of it. So this one comes from eBay. This one is from eBay. Peep the packaging. That's how that's packaged. Let's take it out. Cool. Cool indeed. There's a sticker. Pretty cool. Do not have that sticker. It says, "Thank you for your business. Please do not forget to leave a review." I haven't left a review. Putting little stickers and thank you cards inside the things that you sell is actually a good way to do business. I actually do the same stuff whenever I sell on Mercari, eBay, or whatnot. Here is my business card right there. It's pretty cool. You'll get one of these in every single package that I sell, and I also throw in a 1x1 sticker. And it's just my logo. So yeah, respect. So this one is not going to be in my collection. I actually got it for a birthday gift. I'm going to be planning on doing something for Ricky's birthday, and it is a Tokidoki. Is it Stella? Stelline? I don't know what her name is, but there it is right there. It's pretty cool. There's the front, there's the side. I think these just came out, and you can see the back right there. It looks pretty cool. And I think they have some exclusives on the way too. But the idea is to make her a cake. Not me personally, because that'll be a disaster. To get a cake made and then put this on top of the cake as the cake topper, I guess. It is her birthday, and she likes unicorns, anything like mystical or magical, mystical, whatever, like mermaids and stuff like that, unicorns, all that. So this would be a cake topper. Pretty cool, right? I think so. Alright, so this next box hails from the majestic towers of Mercari. Well, let's open it up and see what we can find in this thing right here. I know what it is. Of course, so I ordered it. Alright, peep the packaging. You can probably see what it is by now. Alright, we have none other than Cory and Topanga Lawrence from, you guessed it, Boy Meets World. This is one of my favorite shows growing up as a kid. I always watched Boy Meets World. It's kind of surreal seeing these. These were on my $5 later pickup list. I was hoping that these would be $5 later. That happened to be not the case. Just like the Tommy Boy Pops, I thought they were going to be in the $5 bin like months from after they've released, or a year after they've released, and I actually have never seen these in store. They were released and I really didn't see them in store, so I couldn't really hunt for them. So there we have Cory right there. We got the side, the back. There is the back characters, the other side, and the front again. So Cory and Topanga, pretty cool. Cory Matthews and Topanga Lawrence, right? That's her name. Yeah, there. Here's the front. There's the side, the back, bam, side again, and the front. So they only made 2 of these, and that was it. I could have actually seen them make Eric. I could have seen them make Sean, Mr. Feeney, Minkus.
Your highest score was achieved by
Minkus. Was it achieved by Minkus? Does it go to Minkus? Minkus, right?
They could have made pretty much all the characters, and I would have bought them, but for some reason they only made 2, so I guess that's the whole Boy Meets World line. I mean, it is, but I kind of wish they would have made more. I would have got them. So we're going to move on to some pops that I actually went on a hunt for. I didn't make a video. I was just in the moment, you know, just looking, just to look. I was actually looking for the Marvin the Martian Poppin' T-shirt bundle. Actually looking for the Venom Black-like Poppin' T-shirt bundle and didn't find either one, so we came up with these right here. This one right here, I got a feeling it's going to be a grill. I have one. It's up there somewhere, and it is none other than Venom. There he is right there, Mr. Eddie Brock himself, Venom. So there's the side. I already have one of these. I decided to pick up another one. Whenever I went there to get that one, there was like 5 or 6 still there. And this time when I went back, this is the only one there. So people were catching on. And I am in talks of getting this guy and I think Groot. Venomized Groot. Venom, I got a feeling it's going to be a grill. Because the Blacklight Pop, I know it is a Blacklight Pop, but the Blacklight Pop I've seen at the highest, on the high spectrum, it's like $200. So I believe that's going to be a grill sometime soon. In my opinion. I don't have any claims to substantiate my claims, but I think it's going to be a grill. Alright, so the next one is going to be a Venomized Storm. Really freaking sweet. I need to pick up the rest of the Venomized set. It's at a critical point right now. When I go on Mercari, I actually see them on sale for like $20 to $30. So I'm trying to nitpick and trying to get them as cheap as possible for my collection. So there is Venomized Storm. The side right there, the back, side, and the front. Pretty cool. She's kind of got like a little base. I'm pretty sure you've seen the Storm Pops by now, but she's got a base which makes her all more cool. So last but certainly not least is a pop that I seen Hot Topic put on their page on Instagram, and it is the Tapatio Man. Pretty cool. I'm more of a what you call that? I'm more of a Valentino sauce kind of guy myself, but I do appreciate the ad icon, the Tapatio Man. There he is right there. Pretty freaking sweet. He's kind of hefty. He's kind of got some weight to him, but there he is right there, the front, the side, really cool. I like that. That looks pretty cool. The single back card, we got the side, and we got the front again. Pretty freaking sweet. Well, spicy, if you will. But there he is right there, the Tapatio Man. I did get my Aangs in right here. I got 2 Aangs. Let me go ahead and just show you. So this one right here is Aang. Pretty cool. Definitely going to keep this in the collection. I don't really have too many Avatar pops, but this is going to be a great start. And then after I seen this one posted on the Funko Shop, I think they have a Hollywood shop exclusive I think it's the same mold, but it's metallic. Say what you will, I guess, but there he is right there, Aang. Pretty freaking sweet. Cool. Alright, so I guess that's it. That's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking on watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.